Good girls. Good girlies. What's wrong? What's wrong? Open up. You don't want any more?
Hello. Yeah.
You don't want any more? We gotta go get dressed? Oh my goodness, you're such a mess. Honey? Where are you going? Where are you going?
What are you doing? You get back in there. You get back in there.
Let go with that spoon. I just want to feed myself.
See what she'll do with it.
I'll grab it now. Look at the chair. It's filthy.
Yeah, that comes around.
Oh. What are you doing? Here you go. Okay, we're done now. Oh my Lord. Zoe.